Okay, all right, here we go. So today's video for you seventh graders, we're going to go over Common Core task number 2, which is tonight's homework. So, okay, all right. Now let's see. Number 1, you have to find the unmarked side, which is just side R. All right. My voice sounds kind of different. All right. Now, first of all, you have to rotate the first shape, and you realize that the R, side R, corresponds to the side that says 30 yards. So let's set that up. All right. Now, I didn't even really want to do this one with you guys because I know you guys can do this like handily. So there's similar figures already. So 15 to 20. I mean, look at that one. That one's right. The shortest side is 15 and then to 20. All right, okay, I'm gonna leave you alone to solve that one, okay? All right, the real one I wanna talk about is number 2. So number 2 has 3 figures. Now you might say to yourself, you know, I've been comparing 2 figures so far, and this is really no different. You just compare 2 figures at one time, and then you keep moving on, okay? So let me show you. So for this one, now I'm gonna turn the first one horizontal. All right, it's good to redraw this. So the long side is 3.6. Oh, it's inches and feet also. Ay. All right. Oh, it's feet by inches. Okay, let's see. All right, so let me write this out first. Actually. And then I'll see if I even need to convert. So that's 1.2 inches. And then I'll turn this one, the middle one, the largest one, like so. That's 7.2 feet. What's the side? N. All right, fair enough. All right, so that's gonna have to be inches, I think. Yeah. Now the third one's like the medium one. So 1.8 inches. Let's see, M. So that's gonna be in feet. Okay, all right. I think we could do this without converting the units actually. Okay, because it's not like that's feet and then that's inches. So, all right, let's go with it. Now, you can't solve for 2 things at the same time. It's not gonna happen. So you just have to go left to right, and then it's like a jigsaw. You go piece by piece. All right. So let's see. The first one is this to this. Now, I mean, I'm just looking at this. I know this is double, right? So for the sake of setting up a proportion, I would do this. So 3.6, 7.2 is 1.2 n. Okay. Now I know this is double, so all I have to do is double this. Okay, I get it. All right. If you want to cross multiply and divide, that's fine. I mean, at this stage. So that's 2. So n is 2 inches. No, 2.4, my bad. 2.4 inches. Now here you have to write the units. Hi. So 2.4 inches. Okay, now that's 2.4 inches, which I'll label here. Now I gotta find this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like kind of, how do I say it? Tether these 2 shapes together. Not even sure if that's the right word. Like put it together. Link them into one problem. All right, that sounds more like it. So 7.2 over m is, right, side to side is 2.4 over 1.8. And then I'm gonna use my calculator just as you will to solve for this. Even though I think it's just times 3, isn't it? Right? It's 2.4 times 3 gives you 7.2. Oh, I got papers all over. Yeah, it is actually. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll solve it the more traditional way. So 7.2 times 1.8 divided by 2.4, 5.4. Yeah, all right. So M is 5.4. 5.4 with the feet. Okay. All right, not too bad. All right, what else did it ask you for? All right, never mind the 4 point thing, okay? This is just homework. Oh, find the scale factor. Oops, okay. So for scale factor, for the first one, you could do, now since we said in class established that it's gonna be left to right, 15 to 20, so this will be the scale factor, okay? And then you could just simply reduce this, so that's what, 304, 3/4, so 0.75, okay? I mean, I think it's more popular to use a decimal rather than fracts as a scale factor. So 0.75 is the scale factor for this one, and then for the next one, what's the scale factor? Let's see. No, okay, well, there are three, so there's going to be two scale factors here. So let me use A, right? Scale factor here, hi. From this end to this end is 2, right? Because we already said it's both. And then the scale factor from this, the middle one to the last one is, let's see, it's 2 points, it's 2.4 over 1.8. I mean, let's put that in. 1.3 repeating. Okay, so a 1 1/3. All right, 1.3 repeating. Okay, all right. I guess that's all I gotta say about this. All right. I hope I kept this short enough because I know every time you guys watch these 7th grade homework videos, they're pretty long. So, okay. All right. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
OMG, that was so good.